Before we start this video, I just want to make one thing super clear. Never under any circumstances ever eat a Tide Pod. We did not eat any Tide Pods in the making of this video. We simply skated on them. It's a stupid thing to do. It says clearly on the packaging not to eat them. So please, we do not condone eating them and you should not eat them. Just do what you're supposed to do with them, which is do laundry. And I hope you enjoyed this video of us skating on them, not eating them. Peace.
Yes. Okay. Let's go ask some people what they think about eating these Tide Pods. What do you think about eating these Tide Pods?
Eating them? No.
It's a new thing.
What kind of thing is it?
Eating Tide Pods.
Clean your system? I mean, is it like...
You know, it's just more the look.
So let me see your face again, because this is going to be the last time I'm selling this to you. Yeah, but I'm serious. If you're not taking this to your mom, this is the last time that I'm selling this to you.
Okay, yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Let all the other checkers know. I'm going to take your picture and I'm putting you up on the wall.
Or actually,
I'm serious.
I'm not eating that.
You better not be.
I'm not.
And what is your name?
Kelly.
I'm my witness.
I'm not eating them.
Then really, don't do that.
I'm not eating them.
You better not.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
I'll see you next week.
What is the deal with this? Just please. I didn't know about this, and then Kelly told me, yeah, it's the hottest thing around. You eat Tide Pods. But you cannot eat it. If you eat this, you will die.
Yeah, so we're not gonna eat them.
But they say, oh, it's the newest trend to eat a Tide Pod. That is, you are not allowed to eat this. Never eat this ever. Look. Warning, harmful if put in mouth or swallowed.
The person at the grocery store said, are you gonna eat these?
What is the deal? It's just a joke.
Just people are eating them, but they're suffering the consequences of eating them.
No, seriously?
Yeah,
people are eating them.
Sick.
Am I completely surprised? I mean, look at this thing. Like,
looks
open
so-
one up
Bro,
and
it
show
looks
the
like
camera.
great. I mean, a candy. It could be a candy.
I think some candy company should take a hint from this and make a candy that looks like this.
Okay, A, these are liquid. B, you're gonna get these all over the floor in the Braille house. I am not gonna participate in this video in any way, shape, or form. Just put on brand new shoes. I'm not gonna ruin my brand new shoes
Same.
with this.
Well, Kelly.
Yeah, Kelly, what were you thinking?
We're gonna go find some shoes.
I can tell you one thing, they smell like chemical warfare. And then it's gonna go everywhere and be all over the Braille house.
I think we're gonna have to go to the parking lot to skate this.
All right, well, I love you guys and I wish you the best of the luck in your Tide Ball journey. What do you call this video?
Not a ball.
Tide Pod?
Well,
Bro, white hoodie, dog. Bro, but skating this is gonna be. Whew.
I don't think they're gonna last for more than like one trick.
They're gonna start popping. It's gonna be sick.
I think you should do it in your brand new shoes.
Yeah, dude, I was
That's what we'll call
totally
the
thinking,
video.
like, dude, they're way too fresh. Like,
Brand
literally.
new shoes versus Tide Pods.
Wait, if you actually think about this would be cleaning my shoe.
Exactly. Your new shoes will be even newer.
I'm just curious of the tactic right here. Why the middle one?
I don't know. It just seemed kind of satisfying.
Yo, let me just get one. Can I just do?
Yeah. Please do not put it in your mouth.
Concentrated detergent packs can burst if children put them in mouth or play with them. Liquid inside is harmful if put in mouth, swallowed, or in eyes. Keep out of reach of children. Lance, we're failing.
I know.
It contains non-ionic and anionic surfactants. Put the the poison control center. Just have them on speed dial.
Is it heavy?
It's so heavy. Oh
Really?
my gosh, yes.
Oh my gosh, the rebar skateboard.
All right, so here we are at this abandoned spot to skate the Tide Pod board.
It's gonna start popping.
It might pop on the
Dude.
first push.
You guys like my shiz?
Dude, I don't want it to squirt at me.
It's not gonna reach your face.
It's gonna squirt, bro.
Oh yeah, should I close my eyes?
Nah, kick flip off, dog.
I'm just gonna ride. Oh dude, it's totally squirting. I can feel it. All right, ready? Oh, we're chilling.
No pop.
Oh, rocks.
All right, kickflip off.
Perfect.
Let's do this, buddy. Dang it, I wanted to kickflip this first.
What is Gabe doing? Can we just get a look at that?
What are you scared of, Gabe?
I don't want to get sprayed in the face or in the mouth or in the eyes, bro. What about the nose?
With the nose. It's so squishy. I love it. Yeah, stationary. Yeah, it's fine.
If you want to. It's your Tide Pod, bro.
Oh, it's so close to like just. Okay, I gotta get up. Oh, snap. All right, ready?
How much do I, Kelly?
Too much for this. Here we go. Ready? Oh, dude, it's so heavy. That's what makes it hard. Is the heaviness.
Will it pop is the question.
I weigh 170, so I mean I'm pretty.
I'm like around there. The thing with this is how heavy it is the big factor.
It
feels weird, doesn't it?
Feels like Dr. Scholl's.
Sounds good.
No! Dude, they haven't popped yet.
Maybe it won't pop. I'm cool with that.
And after we can eat them, finally. Good.
Can it be kickflip, do you think?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay. Dude, not even a question.
That's gonna be an epic slow-mo.
I need to pop harder.
You need to pop harder.
Oh no! That's alright, they haven't popped.
I thought they were gonna go everywhere. But if none of them pop, great. Then laundry for months.
Braille House is finally gonna get some nice laundry going. It's gonna be a great time, guys.
Laundry sense.
God, it's heavy. It's really heavy.
It's unskateable.
Popping?
Oh no, poppage.
We gotta pop, people.
Uh-oh, Fetty got some on his skin.
Oh!
I'm so happy that didn't get on the lens.
Right there.
That was like a firecracker.
Here, I'll catch one, Kelly.
Catch it for me. Bro, what am I doing? It's so heavy that like once I pop, the flick is just like not even close because the board is so heavy.
It's even pod, bro.
Who's gonna kickflip it first, or at all?
I need a roll.
Oh! Slow-mo's gonna look so good.
Oh! It was shooting out of the heel before I even popped.
Bro, dude, it's like so heavy for me. I don't know what's happening. Dude, I want to try. I want to try.
Bro, dude.
Bro, dude, it's like super heavy. I think I'm gonna try a different trick. Oh my god! Bro, that almost hit me. Bro, how did all these come off? Like seriously. Oh! Ew! Oh, I got on my pants! Oh, I had that, dude! Oh!
That was so funny.
My feet are a little slippery.
Oh, geez. I don't know if any tricks are gonna go down. All right, Kelly.
This one's for the gold, man.
You're our only hope.
Oh, they came over!
I don't think anything popped. Man down. Oh!
Oh no, dude, they're like, oh, Betty. Oh, dude, they're so popping. I'm gonna kickflip like with my, ew, oh man. Now that they're open, like they're so slippery, so kickflips are even gonna be harder. So we definitely should have landed it like first try. Oh! It's only just, oh my god. Okay, whatever. Oh my gosh, dude.
What was that reaction he had?
Let me have a spot for my front foot.
Yeah.
Hit a rock.
It's impossible to skate.
Literally the hardest thing.
Oh, that one hit my head.
Oh yeah,
Don't hit my-
it's in your hair.
Yeah, it's in my hair. That one hit my head.
In my mouth and
What happened, Fetty?
Fetty Pop.
Oh, what happened?
you can call me Fetty Potter.
Wait,
Ew, oh Fetty, don't, oh no.
Fetty Popper?
Fetty Potter. Tide Potter.
Oh,
Fetty Tide Pod.
you didn't see it and you stepped on it?
Yeah, and it just almost got to my face.
Oh no, it got Lance.
Definitely.
I want to try something.
Everywhere.
Oh no, it got Lance. Hard to
There's
ollie
definitely
onto.
like Tide Pod right there. Nothing can be landed.
Dude, see how hard it is to skate? So slippery.
Oh! We're gonna land one trick and then we're gonna call it a day.
My feet just slide off.
Oh! Literally just gonna do a shove.
Okay.
Okay. Oh! Bro, let me get this shove.
Dang it.
Wait, check the lens. Lens has been Tide Podded.
The lens for sure.
There's fully Tide Podded on them.
No.
Uh-oh.
Why is that so hard, man? Everything is so slippery.
We promise that Kelly and Fetty know how to skateboard.
Yay! It counts. Count it.
No! No! It's like ASMR. Oh, ew! Oh!
Oh god.
Look at hear the noises it makes? Oh. Oh no, the white band! Betty, watch out, I'm gonna slip and slide it. Yeah! Oh! Look at the tire.
Oh, there's a nail.
Stop.
Somehow there's a nail in the Tide Pod. Oh, look at the lens. The lens is
All right, ready?
toast.
Oh my god!
No, Betty.
Oh, it got my huge car! Get on my car!
Nah, you're good. You're good. This is Tide Pod going extreme.
Oh my god, the lens, dude.
I know.
Lens is so bad.
Wanna wrap the video up?
Yeah. Well, thanks a lot for watching. This was the Tide Pod Skateboard.
Dude.
Didn't really skate very well, but it was kind of fun to play with afterward. This is the cleanest Fetty's ever been in his life. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Now we're going to clean this up. Peace.
Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.